In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a direct message or DM on Slack in just a few simple steps. Whether you need to loop in a colleague for a quick update or collaborate more effectively with your team, Slack makes it easy to expand direct message conversations to include more participants, ensuring seamless communication within your workspace. So let's go. It is my desao. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Slack and navigate to the direct message that you'd like to update by adding another person. If you're using the desktop app or a web browser, simply locate the conversation in your sidebar and click to open it. The same process applies to the mobile app, just tap on the conversation. Once you have the selected direct message open, look towards the top of your screen where you'll see the names of the people who are currently part of the conversation. This information is displayed prominently in the conversation header, helping you quickly identify your existing chat group. Now go ahead and click on the names in the conversation header. This will open a new menu with several options related to the chat settings. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Add People. Selecting this option is your gateway to bringing a new person into the discussion, enhancing collaboration and ensuring everyone stays in the loop. After you select Add People, you'll be presented with a search field. Here you can begin typing the name of the person you want to add to your DM. As you type, Slack will generate a list of potential matches from your workspace. Browse through this list and click on the name of the desired individual to add them to your direct message. This straightforward process allows you to efficiently and accurately connect the right team members with the ongoing conversation. One important aspect to consider during this process is whether you'd like to include the existing conversation history for the new participant. Slack provides you with an option to either share the prior messages with the newly added person or start fresh with no historical context. This choice can be pivotal, depending on the sensitivity and relevance of the past conversation to the new participant. Be sure to weigh the pros and cons and select the most suitable course of action for your particular situation. Once you've made all necessary selections, the final step is to click Done. With this, your direct message will now include the new person, who will have access according to the options you've chosen. Congratulations, you've successfully added someone to your Slack DM. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it aids you in organizing more effective communications within your team. Remember, the ability to manage your conversations dynamically is key to maximizing productivity. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy Slacking!